out the back of the thighs or the hamstring muscles, you'll want to get yourself seated on the floor to start with the roll underneath your legs. You're going to prop yourself up with your hands to lift your hips up off the ground and begin rolling from the buttocks all the way down to the back of the knee. For more intensity, you can take the opposite leg and place it upon the leg in which you're rolling. Now, by rotating the leg outward, you'll focus a little bit more on the tissue on the outside of the thigh, and internally rotating the leg in so the toe is turned toward the opposite side, you'll get a little bit more of the inner thigh of that hamstring.